In 2017, one of the most important trends for the telecommunications sector will be the Internet of Things. But the Internet of Things had various different parts. And one of them, which is pretty important to us, is smart cities. That's why Ralf Nejedl, the person who is in charge for the smart city activities at Deutsche Telekom across Europe, is next to me. Ralf, what trends do you see for smart cities at the moment?
Let me mention two trends here. The first one is that the lifestyle of citizens, people, is getting more and more digital. It starts with mobile phones, but people expect that the services that they get from cities should be digital. And the next factor that I see is that infrastructures become more and more intelligent, and new infrastructures will be deployed. Also, we deploy new infrastructures that enable cities to provide digital services for citizens who want to have a digital lifestyle.
One of those infrastructures is the new narrowband IoT network. Why is particularly that one pretty important for smart cities?
Narrowband IoT has some characteristics that really allow cities to deploy new services. The first one that I would like to mention is that you can have sensors equipped with deeper indoor coverage. That's very important. The second one, and I think it's even more important, is that you can deploy sensors with a longer battery lifetime. So you can deploy all sorts of sensors across the city. You do not have to connect them to the electricity network, and they have a quite long battery lifetime, up to 10 years. Put them in place and use them for 10 years. That helps a lot of business cases for the cities.
Speaking of business cases, which ones do you see if we speak about smart city and particularly the NB-IoT network?
So let me mention a very concrete example. Since 1.5 years we are providing waste management services in Croatia based on a smart infrastructure using classical networks for classical cellular networks. Now what we do is we pilot the same solution, meaning intelligent waste management, on narrowband IoT. This allows to provide newer sensors, having better technology in place for the sensoring network, and creating additional services for the citizens, again, using a smart waste management solution, but also benefits for the city hall that the solution gets cheaper and better. We do that together with local partners, and I think that's the combination that we have to have. We can provide infrastructures, and partner can develop new services based on that infrastructure for the sake of providing better services for the citizens.
The partner for this waste management solution in Croatia, I have now with me, it's Borna Belak from EcoMobile. So Borna, please give us some insights on how you use NB-IoT and what benefits you have from that.
Well, thank you for asking. NB-IoT is perfect for our product. We are producing fill level sensors for monitoring fill level of waste containers. And with NB-IoT modems inside, we can achieve better performance, lower cost of production, and also longer lifetime of our batteries. And this solution benefits both the clients, the municipalities and waste collection companies, because the accurate information about fill level will provide them with ability to better organize their collection runs and also reduce their costs of operations. And the residents will benefit from the perspective of cleaner environment, because there will be no overfilling anymore throughout the city.